Okay, folks, today we're going to prepare a print file for a 3D print using Chitubox. Chitubox is probably one of the best free slicer programs available. So you can download that. Just Google Chitubox and you'll find it. The way that we're going to do this is to start, you need to set up Chitubox, set up your printer in Chitubox. Make sure you've got the printer, the specific printer you're going to use. If you don't, you click plus here, add printer, and then expand the list next to the brand of printer you have. Select a specific printer and then click OK. In this case, I already have my Photon Mono configured. You'll notice I have a Photon Mono X as well. So when I'm slicing my program or slicing my file, I need to make sure to select the correct one. In this case, I'll open the new file. We're going to open test file, and this is the object that I'm going to test print. I'm going to rotate it slightly just so that I have a little bit better support configuration. Once we've got that ready, we select all files by making sure this box is highlighted as it appears here. Click on the supports tab. I usually go with medium supports, and you can tinker with these settings to get the best results, but I've got mine set up ready to go. Select all supports here and then click the plus all, and it will automatically detect and add the supports that you need for your object. Once you're done there, you go back to the main tab, make sure your proper printer is selected, and then click slice. It will analyze the file and then set up the slice. You can see the different layers that it's going to print to complete this print, and then you save your file onto your thumb drive as whatever you want to call it. In this case, I'm just going to save it on my U drive as test.pwmo. That is your print file. You would then take your thumb drive, plug it into your 3D printer, and you're good to go. Hope that helps.